Hey guys, Robbie Menzies. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to assemble your Apex integrated headset. Okay, so in the integrated headset pack you're going to be getting two sealed bearings, a compression cap and a top cap. It will also come with a crown race, but the Apex 4 has got an integrated one, so we will not need it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to put it together. You can get your fork, one of your sealed bearings, slide it over the top, chuck it in to the deck. You can get another sealed bearing, put that over the top, compression cap, put that over the top, and then your top cap, slide it over. I'm running HRC, so I'm going to put my HRC shim onto the fork, and I'm going to use the 5mm Allen key that is provided to tighten up the bolt. There you have it, integrated headset.